We're back out at the property because the woodshed
Yeah, it's kind of a
excursion.
bust.
Yeah.
So we're on to a different project.
Yeah. So we're out here and we're gonna measure how big everything's gonna be and kind of lay it out. We have our fancy dancy stakes
and our
for
measuring tape.
Yep.
Yeah.
So we'll be set.
So yeah, lay it out a little.
See what we got. We got the whole footprint laid out. It might be a little hard to see in the video here, but you can see our one arrow that we're using as a stake. And Liz, why don't you walk over to the other one? We'll show everyone kind of how big it is. So she'll walk over to that there. It appears small now, but so that's pretty far there. That's 48 feet. Yeah, and then our other one is stuffed all the way over in the corner. And our last one is, I mean, basically right at the wall. We went to our outside edge. So it kind of seems small now, but I think it's gonna be big. It's gonna be tall. It's gonna be nice. What do you think, baby? It's gonna be sweet. It's gonna be totally sweet.
I can see it.
Yep, same. We're gonna hike around. We'll get some shots of that. Liz and I decided to hike up to the public property that borders our land. Yeah, it is a nice spot up here. There's, I think, 150 acres public land, something. Jed was running along. As soon as he cut off the trail, I just had a feeling, I knew. Nice little 5x4 that he picked up. So I think it's this winter's. I'm gonna say it's this winter's for sure. Still having fur on it. There's definitely some animals in here. Thanks for watching, and like and subscribe.